Well, Marissa and Tom, he was originally sentenced to 60 months in prison. He was set to report for that sentence this December. Now, the U.S. Attorney's Office says it's not uncommon for a delayed start to a sentence for anyone who is not already in custody but pleads guilty to charges. Now, the federal judge in this case allowed Jacques to delay the sentence so he could get his family's affairs in order. His bail came with several conditions that included not possessing or using a computer, electronic communication, or data storage device unless pre-approved by the court. But the U.S. Attorney's Office says while he was out, Jacques possessed an unauthorized data storage device that contained videos that appeared to be child sex abuse materials. The U.S. Attorney's Office says it received several calls from concerned parents of the Kearsarge Regional School District who said they saw Jacques at a local high school soccer game. It is unclear tonight if those calls played a specific role in Jacques' arrest, but the U.S. Attorney says her office reported those calls to probation.
I would tell the parents who made those calls they did the right thing. If something happens again in the future, I would encourage any parent that had any concerns to call. They will certainly be viewed and action taken where appropriate.
Now, Jacques appeared inside the federal courthouse for what was supposed to be a bail revocation hearing, but that was delayed because he did not have an attorney. The judge ordered that he be held in custody while he looks for representation. Reporting live in Concord, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.